Alright, well, finally get to do one of these jobs I got this thing for. So, I've had black pipe running out here, and I really wanted to dig something and put it underneath the ground. This actually drops down pretty good right over to here. So we're actually going to come out here about, I don't know, maybe 20 feet. See where it's going to fit in best. Try not to go too deep, but deep enough to bury the pipe with a little trench. I'm just going to 90 it off of that. There's our 90. I'll come up a couple inches. Whatever my drop is, stay as tight as I can there. Get out through here. Get everything hooked up. So, let's see what this looks like. Alright, so if you've seen the pipe laying there, it's a Schedule 40 pipe. We've got coupler, 90. We just need to get this stuff open. We're going to throw that one away. Check this one. It's nothing that really needs to be perfect because of what this is. So I think I used this one on some black pipe. It's pretty dirty. So it still smells good. So we're going to get this stuff cleaned up. We're going to get the 90 glued onto this end right here, okay? And then we're going to get the coupler glued onto the other end. We're going to get this down in the hole. We're going to get this side as high as we can. I'm actually going to cut a short piece to fit down in on this side, just to kind of close it up so it looks a little cleaner, I think. I know they probably make tops for these, which would be really nice to have. It is 4-inch, so it might be overkill for what I actually need, but it seems to work out pretty good. And I won't have to move this black pipe every time we mow, so that will be a definite plus. As always, nice good glue. Like I said, it doesn't really matter too much for this. Nothing has to be perfect. We're just kind of gluing it in place so that it holds together. Alright, I'm going to get this done, and I will talk to you guys on the flipper. Alright, we got our pipe placed in here. Everything seems to look pretty good. We have good fall. We're a little close here, but I think what I'll end up doing is I'll just put a little bit of dirt on the top and bring this level up here on this side to actually meet over there. And it looked pretty good. So right now I'm going to move the tools out of the way and we're going to start pushing some dirt in. Alright, well, I was busy editing out the video and I noticed I didn't really have a closing, so I just kind of wanted to show you the finished work. I got the pipe in. I did actually fill this in with some dirt back across. We do have everything seated. Runs out here. I kind of did keep it down. I mean, the water's still going to run out. You know, that's still a lot higher. So looks like the animals, the cats like to play in this, but I'm going to actually reseed this a little bit here this morning and just go over some stuff, check in some stuff. I raked it out pretty good. I did have a bunch of clumps. It's just topsoil I had from another spot. And then I kind of, just like I said, I leveled this up in. There was a drain pipe here on this side. So I actually got that put in out through. I ended up having to put a little bit more dirt in here. I actually did that yesterday. So, I mean, everything kind of fills out. I probably should have put a little bit more right over in here, but being as it's towards the end of the season, I really wanted to get this done. This one didn't come out as far. It's not quite as low here, but that's still going to get me far enough away from the house with the water from the spouting. And you know, basically, I'd say I really like the backhoe. When I first started the video, it's probably been about a month. I would say, let's just say 6 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks since I got on there and was really trying to use the backhoe. And I mean, I might have 10 hours of use on it, and I'm starting to get the feel for it. But there's no way I could have dug this stuff in the amount of time by hand. It would have took me a couple days to do each one of these. Let's just say that's not an option. So I'm pretty happy with how it worked and how it turned out. Trenches are #1 job for this thing. It works great. So I mean, if you got stuff like this to do or things to bury like that, I mean, definitely you need the backhoe. So we are using it for some more stuff, and there will be some more videos yet this season, and look forward to it. And any of you guys who watch the car videos, thanks for watching the tractor videos. And anybody that watches the tractor videos, thanks for watching the car videos, and we'll see ya.